Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dava Gunarin and I'm from the 4th Technical Pulpit class. And I will explain difference between trunk type and crosshead piston engine. Trunk type piston. The crown or head of a piston acts as the moving surface that changes the volume of the content of the cylinder. Compression removes gases from the cylinder exhaust and transmits the energy of combustion power. Generally, the crown end of a piston is slightly smaller in diameter than the screed end. The resulting slight taper allows for expansion of the metal at the combustion end, even though like the taper is surfaced so that at normal operating temperature, the diameter of the piston is the same throughout. There are variety of crown head designs, be it like cone, recessed, dome, convex, or cup, etc. Their application varies according to the point of application of engine. The screed of a trunk-type piston receives the slight thrust created by the movement of the crank and connecting rod. In turn, the piston transmits the thrust to the cylinder wall. In addition to receiving thrust, the screed aids in keeping the piston in the proper alignment with the cylinder. Some pistons are plated with a protective coating of tin which permits close fitting, reduces scuffing, and prolongs piston life. And most trunk type pistons are of one piece construction. Some trunk pistons are made of two parts and two metals. The trunk or screed is made of cast iron or an aluminum alloy, and the crown or head is made of steel. In some pistons of this type of construction, the crown is fitted to the trunk with a ground joint, while in others the parts are welded together. Crosshead piston. The crosshead piston is a two-piece unit with a crown that can withstand the high head and pressure of a turbocharged engine, and a screed specifically designed to absorb side thrust. The crown and screed are held together by the piston. The downward load on the crown passes directly on the pin through a large slipper bearing. The name is bushing. The separate screed has less thermal distortion than the crown piece and is free of downward charge loads. It specifically guides the piston in the cylinder, takes up side thrust, and carries the oil scraper ring. The crown carries the compression rings. Since the crown is separate, it takes only a slight amount of side thrust and is not forced to slide sideways under the compression rings when they are pressed hard against the bottom of their grooves by combustion gas pressure. Lubricating oil is fed upward by pressure to cool the piston pins and piston crown. Refer the feed for crosshead piston. I think enough for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.